Hey everyone, and welcome to this LearnBook tutorial on the basic functionalities of LearnBook. So first, the thing you should see when you log in, if you're a student, if you're a learner, is this screen which shows you your group. So in this screen, you have the program that you're going to follow. This is the most important part, with the different lessons that you're going to do. You can scroll left and right. You can either click the bar and pull left and right, or scroll with your mouse left and right to see the different groups and the different lessons. And in each lesson, there will be messages from your teacher that you'll be responding to, either with text messages or videos or with audio recordings. So if you want to go into a lesson to see what's in there, just click on the View Lesson button. And now you'll see a list of different sections with messages. And in each section, there will be messages from your teacher, where you can reply either directly to the teacher under the message, or you can create a new message in that section. Either way, the teacher will receive an email that says that you've replied to their message. At the top of each part, you'll see the name of the part that you're replying to. You'll see the minimum time that you should spend on that part. And you'll also maybe see a date that will be a deadline. That's when the lesson should be completed by. If you want to see the comments of a message, just click on the comments button and it will show you any messages that have been made in reply to this message. If you've replied to a teacher and then the teacher has replied with some feedback, you can see that here, and the number of comments that are in the message are here as well. Once you've completed all the sections of one part, of one lesson, when you go back, you'll see that that lesson says complete. Then you can move on to the next lesson. Some lessons might be invisible at the beginning, like here. I can see the lesson because I'm a teacher, but as a student, you wouldn't see this lesson. It would be invisible. That might be because maybe I have to complete lesson 2 before I can see lesson 3, or because lesson 3's date is in the future and I will only see that lesson when the date has come, or because the teacher has made the lesson invisible, because maybe the teacher is working on that lesson and they'll make it visible for you when they're finished. So that's the basic functionalities of LearnBook. In the next video, we'll look at how to interact with the teacher in LearnBook.